Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2019 55 Fly Azimut. You'll notice she has a teak platform with the hydraulic platform option as well. Crew quarter access is here. Moving forward, you notice you have a nice rich fabric seating area with a marble top table. Moving into the galley area, which is aft on the boat. You'll notice the wide plank dark flooring. Very modern interior. To the starboard side, we have an ice maker and your bows and entertainment center here. Dedicated storage for glasses, dish set. On the port side, you'll have your Miele appliances, oven, cooktop, refrigerator, and great storage in this galley area. Moving up top in the salon area. Great seating with a flip over table, which gives you a large dining area, opposed seating. On the other side with a TV that drops down and stows away when underway, and you also have a Bose surround sound system in here. Moving up towards the helm area, a great helm station. So you have a joystick docking option, bow and stern thruster, two large Raymarine inset flush screens, autopilot. You do have a Seakeeper option on this boat. Moving down into the cabin area, we have a 3 stateroom layout. To the port side, we have the master, which is a full beam master. Great size bed, great layout. TV is actually inset into the mirror on the wall. You notice your very modern storage dresser here to the port side. Heading back out of the master, your master shower and head is located here. Off to the starboard side, you have your twin bunks, which is an option to convert to a full-size berth. Moving forward is your VIP. You have a nice roomy berth here. Good storage cabinets on either side. These two share a head, which is off to the port side, with private access from the VIP. And now we're on the Flybridge of the 55 Fly. This is one of my favorite parts of the boat. As you can see, you have a great lounge area up here on the aft Flybridge with opposed seating. Full teak cockpit, marble tables. You spin around and see this great seating and lounge area. Retractable hardtop here. Grill and refrigerator built in here. Full helm station with joystick control, bow stern thruster, twin screens. The boat's equipped with MAN 800s. If you look forward, you can also see the nice forward seating on the bow, which has a retractable bim top that is electric. So if you want a little shade in the front. Again, this was Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and if you'd like to take a look at the 2019 55 Fly Azimut, you can reach me at 910-200-9636. Thank you.